start again. This is the shower. We're in here because water damage, so there is leaking. We're going to remove the existing shower down to studs. Ideal situation is we'd widen it and make it taller, so that way it's a little bit less claustrophobic. It'd be a lot like the David job we just did not too long ago. Secondly, shower pan is going to be taken down as far as possible. Concrete is, or shower sloping is going to be removed. Everything's going to be taken down to studs. The biggest thing that unknowns are going to be if we're going to be able to install venting heat leading to the outside, which I don't see it being a problem because we got the outside wall right there. This is, I believe they said they had extra tile, but ideal situation is we just build this out a little bit farther to cover the footprint of the existing tile. We're going to replace light. Ideal situation is put something in there for the venting fan. Shampoo shelf is, I believe, going to be either the floor tile mosaic is going to be in the back, or it's going to be the actual fill tile. That's something to keep in mind. Is I'm taking measurements for if we can replace, or if we can just tile the exact same footprint. I'll have one set of measurements, and if we can tile it all the way to the top and make this even taller, we'll have another set of measurements. Realistically, I'm thinking that the reason that they did this is either one, that light in there is keeping them from making it any taller, because they were trying to keep the original slope of the roof. They wanted to make sure it was nice and flat. Personally, I don't think it'll make a difference if we raise it up a couple of inches. But on the same thing, it's something to keep in mind is any venting we have in here, it's either going to have to be right outside here, which they said that there's no attic altogether, so it's going to have to be encased in here. So it may be we're only able to go a small bit up just because of the fact that we're going to have to put the venting in somewhere inside the shower, realistically, probably at the closest part of the face of the shower, just so that way we'll have the most room. But we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. The next thing is this is going to be a 3x12 horizontal grid pattern for the walls, penny rounds on the floor, and then the ceiling is going to be to be determined, but realistically it'll be a 3x12 of some sort. Trim is going to probably be Schluter trim, black metal. Trim for the actual shower valve and metal will probably be black metal, and then I was told that the grout is going to be black. I don't know if it's going to be black throughout the whole shower, but as of right now, we'll just plan on that. Next thing is, I'm pretty sure that's just about it. No seat. Make sure to send links for penny rounds and white tile, and then even more so, we can probably look to see if we have anything with black grout that we've done recently. But other than that, I think that's about the gist of it. Lights, fan, widen, lower, remove, check, waterproof, new light. Yeah, I think that's about just of it. Now some measurements.